Hello and welcome to Rally Race Guys Budget Paint Room Part 3. So today, as you can see, my dad has been up here and assessed our work and it's rough. So we've agreed, sort of, to move it over about a foot or 300mm to the next rung across, as you can see. So we take that section out, the top section, and all that does is meet. So Robbie's here today, Michael's here today, and Ryan is here today, so we should get a good amount done on this. And we've got newer, better tools, and that's it. But let's get on with this. So the first things first is to shorten that. As you can see on the patch on the wall, I've already moved the socket, which was in the way last time. But yeah, let's go on with this. So, this is sort of a little bit of an update as Rob's been filming us. So, as you can see, we've got the door in. It opens to this point, which we want it to wedge up here because it was blocking all over the place. So it closes, the shot done. We've left a bit of a gap here because we're going to put 10mm plasterboard on there, so we can run. So we've actually got a piece a wall there. And that's going to be painted. So we've got a batten down here. So that's fixed only by here and then through there. We've got one. We're not going to fix it to the ground because the concrete, something about an inch below, about 3 centimeters under the first layer of concrete. There's something really hard, and we can't get through it with a normal power screwdriver, so we're not going to do that, but it should. But we're not going to, because we're going to do that, we're going to drill the upright that goes here. We're going to go through the brickwork and put raw plugs in there, so this part won't move, so in turn this part won't move either. And then we're going to put an upright here, and then we're going to batten it across, and that will be this for this wall. We're going to do the same on this wall. So, yeah, we're going to do this. Bear Rob. So we're going to do the same on this one. But yeah, so as you can see, we moved it across, and we moved this across as well. So this is a nice join now. We're waiting on really big screws to go through there, go through there, go from this piece of wood into this piece of wood, into this piece of wood, into this piece of wood, and so on. Just because the longest screws we've got is 100mm, and they're just not big enough. Also, we've cut the worktop off, so it now will be flush with the wall and the plasterboard when it comes in. So it will go up. Also, so yeah, there you go. And so we're not going to start the roof. We're probably going to get on with a little bit more of this wall, so we can get it nearly plasterboarded soon. And then we'll do this wall, then we'll do the roof, and then we'll board it, and then we'll be done. Or board it, sense exit, wire it, and then we'll be done. But yeah, if we don't get any more done, or you don't see any more, please like and subscribe. It's free, and follow our social media as well, because we put regular updates on there of the stuff we're doing, not only projects like this, but when we're out and about. But yeah, Michael's doing a small project with his, pulling over a...
Do you want to talk us through what you're doing, Michael? Sure. Michael, what have you done to your Mini?
Oil cooler.
Oil cooler?
Right, I'll run you through what I've done. I've got some I'll run you through what I've done.
Yep.
I've got some flat plate. You can see it's a bit bodgy, but hey, it's a bodgy car.
Yeah.
Some flat plate, and then I've welded, well, I've got Zach to weld 90-degree bits onto it to hold on the cooler from all the different points it has. So I've done that both sides, and I cable tied it onto my frame, and all I've got to do now is connect this hole to hole down here. It's just here, you can just slightly see it.
Yeah.
That one there, and the other one from here goes to over here.
Okay.
So basically it cuts out this bar, this metal bar that's running around here, which goes from the bottom filter to the top of the engine.
Yeah. From the sump to the top.
Exactly.
Yeah. And now it can bypass through there and actually get cool.
Mm-hmm.
Which will stop the car from overheating.
You got it.
There we go. Mechanics with Rob.
It's expensive mechanics.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you for watching this video. We made some good progress on the paint room. So we have only used one new piece of wood, which costs £2.50, which is this piece, which we've used that. The rest of them was reclaimed wood from the previous build, or from my dad's house and my dad's garden and other sheds and stuff. So I've only had to spend £2.50 at the moment. I've got one more piece of wood in the corner, which is obviously £2.50, because these are the cheapest. These are for stud work. It's CLS stud work. It's 63mm by 38mm. So, and it's really good. And to be honest, I can't fault it. But we're going to try and use all this wood that's dotted around before I buy any more. But we are having a problem with the height at the moment. It's just everything is just a little bit too small, but we can work around that. But yeah, so hopefully we will get the other side done, or this side finished off next time. And I also want to try and get the plasterboard in, soffit there, drilled, and everything mounted. And then we're going to, once we've done that, then we're going to deal with this, and then we're going to, everything should be moved out of that side, so I can have that side, or we paint it, sort it out and everything. So there'll be definitely change coming, but it's a slow burner. But over the next couple of weeks, everything will change, and me and Ryan will both have our own separate areas, so we can easily film and not be tripping over each other, and etc. But thank you for watching, and like and subscribe if you like what we're doing, or if you have any questions of what we're doing about this or how we're doing it. Just pop them down in the description, or email us, or pop it on social media. We don't mind. But thank you for watching, and see you in a bit.